Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good on mobile Fortnite. First, let's talk about your controls. Take time to customize your heads-up display, or HUD, to fit your hands perfectly. Many top players use a 4-finger or even 6-finger claw setup for maximum efficiency. Experiment with different button placements until you find what feels most natural and allows for quick reactions. Also, fine-tune your touch sensitivity for both looking and building to ensure precise movements and accurate shots. Next, optimizing your in-game settings is crucial for a competitive edge. Always set your graphics quality to the lowest possible to achieve the highest frame rate, which provides a smoother and more responsive experience. Turn on visualize sound effects to get visual cues for footsteps, chests, and gunshots, giving you a significant advantage in situational awareness. Furthermore, ensure you are playing on a stable, fast internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to reduce latency and avoid frustrating lag spikes. Now, let's discuss smart gameplay tactics. Landing in a less contested area allows you to gather essential weapons and shields without immediate pressure. Focus on mastering quick building, especially one-by-one structures, to create instant cover during firefights. Always look for natural cover like trees or rocks and try to gain the high ground in any engagement. This gives you a clear line of sight and makes it harder for opponents to hit you, significantly increasing your chances of winning. Finally, to truly excel, consider adopting advanced techniques. Many skilled mobile players use a 4-finger claw or 6-finger claw grip, which allows simultaneous movement, aiming, shooting, and building. Watching professional mobile Fortnite streamers can provide valuable insights into their strategies and mechanics. Dedicate time in creative mode to practice quick edits, such as window edits or door edits, and fluid weapon swapping. Consistent practice of these skills will elevate your gameplay to a much higher level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.